I am Divakar Gupta, my wife Purnima. We are retired citizens. I had worked for State Bank for my day job, and we are now settled here in post-retirement pursuits and assignments, and we are loving it.
I'm a homemaker now. I was previously a banker, but I'm enjoying my stay and in this new home. We were looking for a modular kitchen. As I walked into Godrej kitchen showroom, I found that the design was modern and it was sober and very stylish. The modular kitchen, the corner cabinet, the roller shutter, the aluminum frame cabinets, these were eye-catching.
Wardrobes have a beautiful finish. They are very modern and stylish, and they are floor to roof. So they give the room a very, very elegant look. The Godrej team was functional and efficient. The technicians were very good. Last but not the least, they actually carried away all the packing material very neatly. So, that's a very big thing in these apartments. We are very happy with the way the installation was done. Godrej selects itself because of its brand value, quality, durability, and now they have a lot of choices in terms of finishes, in terms of sizes, and one look at the showroom convinced us that this was the place where we could get all our requirements done.